because it's not sexy. It's not sexy! Men, they don't care. Men don't care. Because their women put up with it. And other men, gay men, put up with their partners. I was recently diagnosed with sleep apnea. Yeah, let's talk about it. Sleep apnea, generally a fat disease. It's a fat disease. Big people get sleep apnea. Now, I used to be big. I lost the weight. They don't tell you, you lose the weight, you still get fat diseases. If I'd known I'd still get fat diseases, I would have stayed fat. I liked having Jaffa cakes for breakfast. Now, for those of you that don't know what sleep apnea is, basically, when I'm asleep at night, my neck and soft tissues around my neck start to collapse in on themselves, therefore crushing my throat so I can't breathe. Basically, my neck is trying to kill me while I'm asleep. And if it's left untreated, it can lead to heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, death, and snoring. Now, I know I said snoring after death. Because as a woman, snoring is worse than death. Right, women, come on. Women, we don't like to admit we snore. Because it's not sexy. It's not sexy! Men, they don't care. Men don't care. Because their women put up with it. And other men, gay men, put up with their partner snoring. They don't give a shit. Men make excuses for their snoring, right? Men are like, what? Yeah, I snore. I work hard. That's right. I'm a man. I work hard, I get tired, because I'm a man. I'm a man, I work hard, I get tired, so I snore, because I'm a man. Work hard, tired, snore, man. Sometimes I get drunk, shit the bed, man, because I'm a man. Women, we can't make those excuses. We haven't got those same excuses. We might shit the bed, but we haven't got the same excuses. Every woman in here likes to think she looks cute when she's asleep. Every woman in here thinks she looks cute when she's sleeping. Not all of us look cute when we're asleep. I found out on holiday with my friends when one of the bitches filmed me. We're not friends anymore. She died under suspicious circumstances. She filmed me! And that was not sexy, people. I was like that. And you know you stop breathing. Not sexy. And you know what the treatment is for sleep apnea? You know what the treatment is? I'll tell you what it is. It's a box that plugs into the wall. It's called a CPAP machine. And it pulls air down this vacuum cleaner pipe looking thing that ends in a mask. A mask, a full face mask. A mask that goes over my face. I've got to wear this every night. Attached to a pipe, attached to a box, attached to every night. Is this sexy, sir? Does this look sexy to you? Is this sexy? Look at me, sir, look at me. Would you like this in bed, sir? Look at me, look at me. wants to have sex with Bane from Batman? Nobody.